Question number 2. Figure number 3 shows a mobile phone being charged by a portable power source. If you look here, the mobile phone is being charged when it is connected with the power source. A student must know what kind of the energy is present in the battery. 2.1 is an A1 question, and this question is from energy transfer in everyday appliance. Why does the battery in the phone need recharging? Tick one box. If you look here, the four options are given. The store of the chemical energy in the battery has reduced. The store of thermal energy in the battery has reduced. The store of the kinetic energy in the battery has reduced. The store of gravitational energy in the battery has reduced. A battery doesn't have gravitational energy. A battery doesn't have kinetic energy store. The battery is not related to thermal energy store. The battery is related to chemical energy store. Therefore, the store of chemical energy in the battery of the mobile phone has reduced. 2.2 is the combination of AO2 and AO1 question, and this question is from the topic of power. The power source provides a current of 1.86 ampere at a potential difference of 3.90 volts. Calculate the power of the power source. The equation of power is given. Power is equal to potential difference times current. Choose the correct unit from the box also. We are given here current, that is 1.86 ampere. Potential difference is 3.90, and the student needs to find the power. The formula is already given. Power is equal to potential difference times current. So we use the values here. 3.9 multiplied by 1.86, and the answer is 7.254. The unit of power is watt, and it is represented by capital W. 2.3 is an AO3 question, and this question is from energy transfers in everyday appliance. A student needs a new power source. Figure number 4 shows three different sized power sources: compact, large, and high capacity. The table number 1 gives data about different power sources. If you look here, we have three columns. First is for power source, number of charges, and mass in grams. The compact power source gives one number of charge, and the mass of the compact power source is 100 grams. Whereas the large power source gives 5 charges and the mass is 200 grams. Whereas the high capacity power source, it gives 10 charges and the mass is 600 grams. The student choose the large power source, which is given here. Suggest why the student choose the large power source. To answer this question, the student need to use the given information in table number 1. The large power source, it gives 5 times of charges as compared to the compact one, but its mass is 2 times the mass of the compact power source. It is 100 where the mass of the large power source is 200, which is twice of the compact source. Whereas the high capacity one gives more charges as compared to the large one. It is 2 times the number of charges as compared to the large one. The high capacity gives 10 charges, whereas the large power source it gives 5 charges, which is half of high capacity power source. But on the other hand, the high capacity power source is 3 times heavier than the large power source. The student need to compare these values in his answer to get full 4 marks. Let's see the model answer. The large power source gives 5 times the number of charges as compared to compact source, but twice heavier than the compact source. We can see here this gives 5 times more charges as compared to the compact one, but it is twice heavier than the compact one. The large power source gives half the number of charges as compared to high capacity power source. You can see here high capacity power source gives 10, whereas large power source gives 5. But is 3 times lighter than high capacity power source. This is 3 times lighter than the high capacity power source. The student will get 1 mark here, 1 mark here, 1 mark here, and 1 mark here to get 4 marks for this question.